Aromatawai is quite simply a tool. It tells the story by whānau of their experiences with health services.
Kia ora, ko Julie Wharewera-Mika, tōku ingoa he uri o ngā Ngāti Awa ngai tūhoe me te whanapunui. I'm a papakura mama, I'm independent chair for the South Auckland Social Wellbeing Board and also one of the heads of Mayor's Foundation. Yeah, I've come away with lots of excitement and enthusiasm. I think it's an amazing tool that's evidence-based, informed by the findings of Hua Oranga, which is really exciting to see the transition of that outcomes measure tool. And I'm just really excited about the opportunity it has to really uplift and empower whānau voice, particularly our whānau hawa. It's easy to access. You can just click on the link. It's a short survey, it's really user-friendly, and if you want to share your opinion about how you've been able to access healthcare and how it's affected your wellbeing, go ahead and give it a go. Karawhiua. Just really excited to see the opportunity that this tool has to support whānau voice to be uplifted and to influence some advocacy in the future for how we can improve health and wellbeing services in Aotearoa.